The mini semester experience was kind of like a brief overview of what was possible
in energy and all the different projects that we could take part in.
It was great to actually come here, go to all the labs, go to the wind site. That was really cool. I've never seen like a wind turbine. Those things are huge.
Being a part of the mini semester program, I was able to meet a lot of great researchers who work in the field that I want to work in.
The thing that really made me want to come to NREL after the mini internship was NREL itself had like this very friendly vibe. I feel like I could pull anybody aside and ask them what they're doing and they would tell me and I would learn something.
Doing that mini semester program really helped me see for myself what it's like being here at NREL, and I really wanted to come back.
Because of this NREL internship experience, I think that I will be pursuing a PhD in chemistry.
I've spent 10 weeks here and I love the experience. I know for sure I'm going to get a PhD in material science and engineering.
I'm now considering doing graduate studies, especially a master's degree, whether it's in bioenergy or chemical engineering.
So being a part of the mini semester program, I was able to learn more about the field that I want to work on. And that really gave me an advantage to land my internship here this summer.
Being able to like wear my lab glasses and like my gloves, like you see that on TV, like micropipetting stuff, like I feel so sciencey and cool. So I think that's really good to actually get that experience because I know a lot of, like I'm finished my freshman year, a lot of people are not doing that. So I feel like that's really pushed me above and beyond.
At my home institution, I wouldn't have had the experiences that I've had here. And I really feel like I'm leaving here with some worthwhile knowledge. So I'm thankful.
Anyone who's looking to pursue a career in renewable energy should apply to the mini semester program.
I know for a fact that when I get back to my university, I have a couple people that I'll definitely suggest this to.
I would definitely recommend the mini semester program. It definitely gives you an insight into what you're going to be doing.
I've gained so much from it that I have nothing bad to say about this internship